Choppers, what's going on? Your president here. I thought today maybe we should do something different, something that we've never done before. Just take a young walk. I'm not a person that really loves, walking and stuff. Just because I have a very fast metabolism, and I'm trying to bulk and gain some weight for lifting, right? So if you're gonna take regular walks and have a morning jog, chances are you're going to lose a bit of weight, and I'm not trying to do that, right? So I'm trying by all means not to sabotage my body, but at times it's important to have these walks, just talk to yourself, reflect back on how the year was. And yeah, today I'm at the farm. For those of you that have been following my content, you would know that I just embarked on a new journey where I entered into the business of farming. So today I'm at the farm, and I just thought, let me take a young walk and talk to you guys. Mathematically, you are always going to be unbeaten if you know what you're doing, if you understand what you're doing, and if you have a strategy that works for you over time, right? And most of you don't get it, and I'm sorry to say, choppers and traders at large, most of you don't get it. You don't have to be perfect in your trading. You don't have to really be the master of entries, the master of sniper entries, the master of this and that. All you just have to do is to have a good risk reward system. And you know what, I always say this, that you don't really have to have that strategy that gives you a lot of money in one go, right? You just have to have a system. That's it, man. A simple system that gives you a good risk reward ratio, right? I'm already breathing heavy. Now you would understand that I'm not used to taking walks, but I've started recently, and I gotta say, man, it's really working for me, right? So as I was saying, you're always going to be mathematically unbeaten if you have a good risk reward ratio, right? Think about it. In fact, before we do so, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we drop another episode, and as well as subscribe, guys. Road to 4,000. Can we hit 4,000 by the end of the year? Like I said last time, I believe we can. It's just a matter of time. So please hit that like button, smash that like button, subscribe. Tell your neighbor, tell your friends that we are subscribing on Trade with MJ channel. We are growing it to 4,000. Right. Also, guys, it's important to always acknowledge the people that makes things happen. Like I said before, we need to brokers need to invest in education rather than investing in lifestyle, right? So I want to take this time to thank the sponsor of this video, OCTA. If you needed an account, then I urge you to get an account with them. Click on the link down below in the description there. You'll find the link. Use that link to sign up and fund your account. For those of you that say mentorship is expensive, coaching is expensive, I offer that for free for the people that are using our sponsor, So just sign up, man. Let me know that you have signed up. I'll leave all the company details there, the phone number, the office phone number, the company's email there. Just email us, WhatsApp us, and let us know that you have funded your account, and you can add you on our group, right? So I'm just going to take a young 10 because cars are coming on the other side, and I don't want to be disturbed as I talk to you guys, right? So as I was saying, you don't really need that powerful strategy, right? You just need something that works for you over time. And I said it before, that risk reward ratio, and I'll emphasize on this. I think I want to close off the year by saying this, right? You don't really need something that will something that will just change your life now, right? It's a long-term game. Understand the long-term game, right? The year is about to end, and a lot of traders are reflecting back on how trading was for them, as well as looking for systems and strategies to get into the new year. Well, the OCTA ecosystem is all about helping you make well-informed decisions more efficiently. OCTA simplifies the trading process, which enables you to make trading decisions confidently and stay on top of your game without unnecessary complexity. The OCTA ecosystem makes trading more efficient and seamless. That's why it is important for you to download the OCTA app today. The link is just down on the description. You can always see the offers that comes with having the app and the perks of receiving promotional activities such as gifts and special offers related to 2025. Now listen to this. Participate in OCTA's festivities from the 2nd of December to the 22nd of December 2024 and stand a chance to win a Xiaomi Pad, PlayStation, and other exciting gifts. You know, with OCTA, there's always more to give. Check out the promotional section and learn more about this. There's also a special offer available from the 2nd of December to the 27th of December, where you're going to experience lower spreads for New Year's only. And for those that are new clients, you will receive 100% bonus on your deposit. Download the OCTA app today and start trading. Look, right now it's December time. You've been trading for maybe the 11 months now, right? You've been making a lot of mistakes and you're just thinking, how can I improve on that? You are trying to, I see a lot of traders ignore the money management system and focus a lot on strategies. They want a strategy. They are obsessed with getting a strategy that is going to change their lives. And really, it's not about that, right? It's as easy as take 50 bucks from me, market, take 50 bucks from me, and I will take 100 bucks from you when I'm right. How easy can it get? Take 50 bucks from me every time, and I will take 100 bucks from you, right? So we complicate this by trying to win over time, winning, and ladies and gentlemen, sometimes look, if you feel overwhelmed by this trading, I'll be honest with you, I'm going to give you this advice, and I'm sorry if it's not gonna come out right. Put trading on the side, right? Just put trading on the side and do something else. You don't want to go down the line, maybe 3 years to come, and you are regretting and saying, I should have done something with my life. Because there are two guys coming there at the back of me. I have my gun with me, so if anything happens, you know that I took action, right? I'm joking. As I was saying, that the good risk reward system will not bother you at all, right? Hola. How's it, man? Sharp, man. Say hi to the camera, man. Hey. Say how are you, choppers? Say what's up, choppers.
How are you, choppers?
What's your name?
Stina Kondowe.
Stina Kondowe. Wow, that's a beautiful name. It's a very long name. What does it mean?
I don't know its meaning.
Oh, you don't know its meaning?
Because my father just gave me the name. Eh?
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. And then you, what's your name? Oh, okay. From where?
Malawi.
Yeah, Buruwanji.
Eh? Yeah,
Buruwanji.
Yeah.
Burubagora. Nice to meet you guys. Enjoy your day. Sharp. Beautiful people that we always have here, man, in the farms here. I always enjoy, meeting with people and just talking to them and learn their language. So as I was saying, sorry about that, Chobbers. As I was saying, you don't need, that thing that I want to make it now. If look, we've been trading and you feel like it's wasting your time, put it aside. I'm begging you, just put it aside and focus on something else. And I know you might not like what I'm saying, right? You might not like what I'm saying, say, but President, what are you talking about? I know what I'm talking about, right? The police have just passed me there. I know what I'm talking about, right? I really know what I'm talking about. There were times I felt like I'm wasting my time, right? And look, I found a blessing by making it, but what if it will take you too long, right? I'm not saying quit. I'm saying sometimes take a break, because maybe you don't have enough money. And while at least you are taking a break, right, you can think of something that can give you money so that you can come back and fund, right? Because what do I actually mean when I say mathematically unbeaten is that your money is always protected, right? You will always have a margin if your risk reward is always more than it's always 1:2, 1:3, right? I was actually taking a trade during the week. It will just pop on the screen now on WTI. That look, lately I'm enjoying trading WTI, man. I don't want to lie. I think I'm getting good returns on WTI simply because it's December time. I'm not getting that volatility that I'm used to, and WTI is moving by 1% it can go up by 1% just London session, right? It can go down by 1% just London session, right? So I'm getting something there, and I'm taking intraday scalps there. And I gotta say, I'm enjoying it. And mathematically, it makes sense because I even know the lot size that I'm using. The mistake that I always see traders do is that you use 0.05 on gold every time you take a trade, right? 0.05 on gold, and you want to use the same 0.05 on NASDAQ, 0.05 on WTI, 0.05 on Brent crude, 0.05 on a Bitcoin, right? And you are messing up your system, right? Because every instrument and every asset that you trade, it has its own spread, right? There's a charge they will put on you, or they will charge you, right? You will have a certain charge, right? So you cannot just use one, lot size for everything. You cannot, because the spread that is being charged on that particular asset, right? So you just have to know that, okay, if this one is expensive, then that means it doesn't qualify for me to use 0.01 or 0.02. If you are used to using 0.05, scale down. And if your account is going down, right? Again, we're talking of maths. If your account is going down, for example, right? Let's say you're having an account that's going down. Maybe you made a deposit of $1,000, right? Or let's even go lower to $500. For example, you make a deposit of $500, and through your deposit, you keep on losing money. Maybe you are risking 2% per trade, right? You keep on losing money. You just have to calculate now that 2% of $500, if it was this much, it changes always, right? Or let's say, for example, it's $1,000, right? You make a deposit of $1,000. Or again, let me go lower. You make a deposit of $100. Okay, and you're like, I'm risking 2% of $100. What's 2% of $100? It's $2, right? You keep on losing. You're taking trades, you keep on losing. If your account now is sitting on $67 or $60, now your 2% is no longer $2. It must go down. It's going to be 1 point something. That's unfortunately the reality. So I see people using 2% even if their account is going down. Their maths doesn't make sense. 2% of the account, not 2% of the deposit, right? If you make a deposit of $1,000, your 2% is $20, for example. Once your account now is sitting on $600, you cannot use $20 anymore. It's no longer 2%, because you cannot calculate your risk on your deposit. You calculate your risk on your equity. what is floating in your account, what is running in your business right now, and that's how you measure risk, right? So even when you make more money right now, you put $1,000, now your account is on there's a dog there, man, it's barking at me. I'm going to kick its a jaw there, and something's gonna get messy. I'm joking, guys. If you make a deposit of $1,000 and then you make your account is sitting on 1.2, account is sitting on 1.3. Now if you are risking 2%, now 2% is no longer that $20. Now it must increase because your account is going up. The more you go up, right, the more you make more money, obviously, right? And the more your risk can increase now. So if your risk increases from 2%, which is $20, now it goes to, let's say, $25. That means your risk reward now will also increase. Your reward system will increase. The more your risk increase, the more your reward will increase. The more money you will make, more money potentially, right? So get your maths right when it comes to this. Don't just use one lot size. I said this before and I'm going to say it again. Also utilize, you can go on a Baby Pip's website and utilize Forex calculator, PIP calculator, right? Risk calculator. Make use of these things, right? So that you avoid always making these mistakes of risking a certain amount even if your account is drowning, right? Using the same lot size even if your account is drowning, right? Sometimes you have little money in your account and you want to open an asset like gold and it doesn't open, right? Depending on the broker that you use. It's simply because you don't have enough funds. Then put that money aside, try to see where you can get some injection in your business. You get more money for your business and then you can scale from there. So it's you know, this is the basic information that I can ever give you guys. I don't want you guys to put more strain on yourself, stress for yourself. It's just that. Just have a good system, a risk reward system, and you are good to go. Don't complicate a winning strategy, right? Don't change it. If it's losing, don't change it as long as money management makes sense. I always say to you, even if you can win 50% of your trades and lose 50% of your trades with a good risk reward, you are winning over time. That's it. Choppers, I'm wishing you all the best of luck and I'm wishing you a prosperous new year and Merry Christmas to everyone. Next year is another year and we need to kill these markets. We need to come with a better mentality. For those of you that are being on a break, I'm saying it's a break. You're going to come back strong. Try to see where you can get more money. And let's see how we can capitalize on this. Thank you so much. It's your President MJ Givens Khase. You know what to do. Hit that like button as well as subscribe. Guys, let's get to 4,000. I'll see you on the other side. Remember, we are continuing to stream, right? Now we stream even London sessions, right? Be on our social media pages to be updated. And if you need an account with OCTA, the link is just down below. Get an account and let me know that you've funded your account. And I can add you on the Choppers funded group. Thank you so much. God bless from your president. Cheers. Bye.